Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet. A.
A.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel.
B.
B.
Thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
C.
C.
Spool with thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
D.
D.
E.
E.
F.
F.
G.
G.
On the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in
H.
H.
goes the weasel.
Red color.
Red color.
Orange color.
Orange color.
Yellow color.
Yellow color.
Blue color.
Blue color.
Green color.
Green color.
Purple color.
Purple color.
Pink color.
Pink color.
Brown color.
Brown color.
A for apple.
A for apple.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for doll.
D for doll.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for frog.
F for frog.
G for glass.
G for glass.
H for hat.
H for hat. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. Thank you. See you soon.